everyone, I'm Daniel. Today, it's really early morning and we are on our way to Nagano and Nozawa Onsen. We had to get up at like 4:30 a.m. and we went to bed at like 3:30 a.m.
So we are pretty tired.
So we're pretty tired. So
it's a beautiful sunrise.
That Nagano station has had a bit of a refurbishment. It's very big and modern now. That is a massive grapefruit. Look how big it is. It's like a watermelon. Sugoi. Oraho. Kawaii. Looks like me-chan.
どっちが美味しいかじゃクラフトジンとこの森。
So today we have gone on a Japan road trip. Look, see, you can see by the sign up here, we are outside the JR Nagano station.
So we are going to head into Nozawa, but we're going to stop by Zenkoji, which is a very popular temple in Nagano. Let's go!
Now, as you can see, it's a little bit overcast today. Now, 2 days ago, they sent out a similar meteorological warning to Hokkaido and they had a lot of snow. They had like 60 centimeters of snow in 1 day. So hopefully we won't get snowed in when we go on our little tiki tour to Zenkoji Temple. Look at this heavy snow happening here. Here we are, Zenkoji Temple. Look at this beautiful snow. Look at it. Look at this massive temple. It looks pretty cool. Honey, what's happening?
So I can be more smarter?
Okay. Chili beer. I've never seen this for sale in Tokyo, so let's hope it's good. There's nothing like an icy cold, yet fiery hot chili beer on a snowy day. Oh, it's got a little bit of an aftertaste tingle, a tingly aftertaste. So it's an ale.
Wasabi pork bun.
Wasabi nikuman, steaming hot. Is it wasabi?
Yeah, I can taste the wasabi.
Damn it! Hey! Hey! It's cold day, huh? What are you doing? Meow, 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 meow. Snowing in Nagano. Whoa. Garam masala. Third eye chili. That's pretty hot. Special anniversary one for 2022. Spicy gelato. spicy chocolate.
This is really interesting. Shiso chocolate.
After much deliberation on what we were gonna blend our herbs, secret blend of herbs and spices, we decided that we would leave that up to the Colonel Sanders. So we're gonna find the quintessential samurai shichimi. Right, so this is 4 spice level on the 5 spice ranking. Honey, catch.
Now unlocked. Thank you.
Please move a step forward. Naruhodo. Look at this beautiful thick snow. We're the only people on the bus so far. Look, I'm just plowing all the snow. We're on Nozawa Onsen!
Yay! We made it!
Whoa! I feel like Sir Edmund Hillary. It's pretty cold outside. Look at me. I've got to clear the way for Yuka. Whoa.
Oh my gosh, that's so deep.
Holy this is really deep snow. Okay, laugh at me, will you? You're gonna laugh at me, huh? That's your yabba.
No, we can't walk. Seriously.
This is pretty crazy snow. This is like way more snow than any other time I've ever been here. My fingers are so cold. Oh, a snowblower. Sugoi. Come back there, snowblower. Hello. Look at how much snow's on the roof of that car. Look at how much snow's on the roof of the car.
Is it like a normal Nozawa?
What? Hamburger Tommy's is closed.
Daniel?
What? That's very disheartening. Oh my gosh, that's so cool. It kind of doesn't look like there's a lot open. Do you think there's going to be a lot of places open? The pizza place isn't open.
Daniel?
Here is the Nozawa night market. It's sort of like a food court. So they have a Thai restaurant, they have a Chinese restaurant, they have a sort of Western cuisine restaurant, and they have 2 Japanese restaurants. It was pretty good. And it was nice and toasty warm. Oh my gosh, it was so warm in there. Honey, what have you ordered?
I ordered Nozawa chahan. Look at this. So, Nozawa is a very popular vegetable in Nozawa. That's why Nozawa, right?
So,
Nozawa is like a green.
Nozawa no Nozawa na.
Oishii.
This is so good.
Oishii.
Right. Good morning, Nozawa Onsen. Oh, it's still snowing. It's still snowing, but the visibility is a little bit better, so we can actually see the mountains in the background. Oh, it's cold. It's cold.
What are you doing, Daniel?
I had an L on.
Daniel, you're L size.
I know, and it was too tight. Look at this snow. The snow is incredible. I seriously do not think I've ever seen this much snow. I've seen snow before, but this is next level. The snow in Japan is incredible. Look how it just changes. Look at it up on that tree there. Look how thick it is just on that tree. It's just got caught up on the branches. Sugoi kirei. Ganbatte! Wow, jozu! Honey, do a 360. 1080. Whoa, the snow is crazy. Whoa, 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 jozu! Ganbatte. Sugoi! Hey there. This is like whiteout conditions. Guess where we are? We are in the snow. Having a snow day in Nozawa Onsen. Yesterday was a pretty crazy heavy snow warning for Nagano prefecture, and as such here in Nozawa they had over 50 centimeters of snow in less than 3 hours, which was pretty crazy. Which was pretty crazy. So anyway, this is Yuka's 4th time snowboarding.
Yeah. Sapporo?
Sapporo.
Yeah, we went to Sapporo.
In Hokkaido.
Yeah.
We went to Mount Tene, didn't we? So 2019 we went to Hakuba. And that was pretty fun.
Yeah.
And then the last 2 years have been coronavirus. So no mountains, no travel, and we've been in Papua New Guinea. So we're finally back in Japan and enjoying the winter lifestyle, which Yuka loves. No?
No, I'm summer girl, honey.
Last night we went to a night market, and it was pretty interesting. And then straight after we had dinner, we went to the nearest onsen, and it was the onsen closest to the night market.
It was freaking hot.
It was so hot. It was unbearably hot. Like,
Yeah, it was a nice onsen though.
I think we need to live here in Nozawa for a few years to maybe acclimatize to that really, really hot
Yeah,
weather.
because I saw that a lot other villagers didn't really
React. They're just like, Daijoubu. This is fine. And we're just like, our skin is melting off us because it's so hot. The Hikage Gondola. We're going to paradise. Paradise.
Yeah, we're gonna go to paradise, which is
Are we going to gangsters paradise? Minute after minute, hour after hour, every day of the weekend. And on in the kitchen.
We're quite tired now because we started snowboarding. This
What time?
10 o'clock this morning. And then now 2 o'clock. So we've been snowboarding for about 3.5 hours.
So.
It's pretty high.
Whoa, it's -5 and it's about to get to -7 next hour. Oh shit! Oh,
Right. So we are like in the freezer whole day.
Okay, it's -7 here at the top of the gondola. We came up the gondola up to Ueno Taira, and we started coming down Paradise course. This course is normally beautiful when there's perfect visibility. Now there is 0 visibility, so it's kind of difficult. But the powder is incredible. It's so soft and fluffy, and it's pretty cool. Holy moly, it's getting cold.
Finally lunch here today. Tonkatsu curry, katsudari, and here is
Hoko Masamune Atatakai.
Yeah, this
Osaka.
will make us warm because it's just outside.
Super cold.
Super cold and it's super windy.
And here we have Nozawana. Nozawana is a pickled green vegetable that is famous in Nozawa. It's very, very fresh. It's a little bit sour, but a little bit sweet too, isn't it? The Nozawa Onsen Fire Festival, known in Japan as the Nozawa Onsen Dosojin Matsuri, has been held on 15 January every year since 1863 and is one of Japan's 3 major fire festivals. Last year's 2021 Dosojin Fire Festival was cancelled due to coronavirus, but this year it went ahead with access limited to festival committee organisers and authorised camera crew for the broadcast on local TV. Yes, we will. Fortunately, we were able to observe part of the preparation set up the night before and enjoyed the festival from a nearby public car park. The Shinto kami, Dosojin, protects villages and its inhabitants from harm and is also the god of fertility, happy marriages and healthy children. The Dosojin Matsuri brings fortune to those men of Nozawa Onsen who are currently at the unlucky ages of 25 and 42 and promotes a good ski season for the alpine resort village. The festival is in fact a playful reenactment. The 42-year-old and 25-year-old males of the village defend a makeshift 7-meter high shrine called a shaden against the onslaught of the rest of the villagers who rush towards the structure with flaming torches. 5 sacred beech trees are cut down during the month of October, and over 100 villagers gather to build the structure the day before the festival, following which a ceremony is performed by a priest from the Kosuge shrine to enshrine a Dosojin inside. The 42-year-olds defend the upper part of the structure, while the 25-year-olds defend the lower part. These age groups are chosen because they are said to be unlucky, known in Japan as yakudoshi, ages in Japanese superstition. Once the excitement of battle is over and all participants have withdrawn to a safe distance, the shaden is ceremonially burned, together with large decorated lanterns on poles that are carefully made by families to bring good health and fortune to the children. The attack begins at 8:30 p.m. and the entire ceremony can last for 4 hours before the shrine is burnt to the ground. It was so cold standing on the icy street, but we thought it was totally worth it to experience the whole Dosojin Fire Festival in 2022.
Collapsing! The roof is on fire! And the platform is collapsing. Finally. Oh, it's over the hump. Lift up, lift up. Yes.
Ooh.
I can't stand here.
No, be careful of that. Just jump back over, it's all good.
お待たせいたしました。今日も特急バス長野行きをご利用いただき誠にありがとうございます。バスはこの後長野駅東口まで。
Thanks for watching our winter journey in Nagano and Nozawa Onsen. Hopefully you are happy to see all the beautiful scenery of Nagano area and tons of snow. Our part 2 winter journey video will be coming up soon, so please don't forget to turn notifications on and subscribe to our channel. See you next time. Bye.